In this video, we will explain how to make a Skrill or Jetonbank deposit to BetInAsia. Select the Deposit the e-wallet option. Enter your amount and chosen currency, then select Deposit. From here, you can select from the options available to you for depositing via Skrill. Deposits are made almost instantly to your BetInAsia account from this merchant. You can follow the same process for Jetonbank by selecting it on the BetInAsia portal. Be sure to complete the steps outlined by Jetonbank to successfully send funds to us. Once done, you will then see the transaction in your account history. If you have any questions or issues, our customer support team is available via live chat or email to assist you immediately. Subscribe to see more videos on how to set up your account. And thanks for choosing BetInAsia.